welcome back to Flu's Cakes and Apparel. I'm your boy Flu. I want to first start by apologizing for not putting out videos. I've been busy. If you don't know, those of you don't know, I'm a car salesperson that currently works for Tim Light Chevrolet. And being in the car business, you stay busy to a point where like you get off, you just want to relax. Or as you can see, I bought a couple toys, a bike, so I go out and ride to relax from my day. So I apologize to you guys. I'm gonna get back on the shoes, apparel. My cousin, he was on a couple videos ago. Key that he's been building his collection. He like, Flu, when you get back on there? So, all right, I'll get back on here with some shoes that just came today. I know why it took so long, but hey, it's the mail. Everything started taking some time. So, without further ado, let's do this unboxing of, you see the video, Air Jordan 1 Pollens. He said, while I was gone, I tell you, yep. He said selling cars, he was busy, making pretty good money. So, but it got me off of stuff right here, getting shoes. And I kind of got these on accident. Like, if everybody know about the sneakers app, you don't win anything when you put it in the drawer, but so I was like every day, 10 o'clock, I was putting my stuff in, well, Eastern time, 10 o'clock, like let me just get in this drawer, You were not selected, So I was like, you know what? For ones, this is my first pair of ones that I'm getting. I had never had a pair of ones. For one, like I said, I felt like they're gonna make my feet look big, but we'll see. Oh shoot, this box is tough. Like the black and yellow. Pollen. I mean, I'm a Browns fan, so sorry, Steelers fans. But got the black and yellow. The Nike on there. See that? Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. And this box. Y'all tell, pull this out. Everybody know me. I'm a slim dude. I'm about 5'8", 5'9" on a good day. So I never wonder where y'all feel like my feet would just look so big. Y'all think? How about y'all think? Y'all think my feet look big with these? First glance, man, these things are tough. I'm not even going to fake with you. Even like I said, you know, it's the Steelers colors a little bit, but I think I can rock these, man. I'm supposed to be going to Vegas pretty soon here, so I wonder if I should take these with me. I don't know. But if you can see, you got the yellow strings that come on the shoe. But man, they give you every colorway that's on the shoe. You get you a black pair and a white pair. Let's see, let's pull this off here. Yeah, man. These are tough though. Sorry, man. Just got these in the mail. White pair. Tell me which one y'all think. Which y'all rocking with? You can go 1 and 1. Obviously, can't go all 3 because there's only 2 shoes. But you gonna go 1 and 1, or you gonna just keep the same color on the laces? Tell me, man. I don't know. I think I might have to go with 1 yellow, 1 black. Depend on the fit though. Man, things were tough. Was it Jordan? Was the first ones he wore was in 1985. So that means, if my math, you carried a 1. So about 35, 36 years since he wore the original ones. Oh man. Like I said, I don't know why I waited so long to get a pair of ones. These boys are fresh. Man. Oh, by the way, I'm looking for, if somebody got a shoe guy, got a connect, man, let me know. Like I said, again, I'm making decent money. Want to step my game up, continue to buy more shoes, get more content out for you. You got somebody, can you have them DM me, or you can DM me and let me know who that person is. Again, I'm saying, I'm just trying to, man, nice yellow bottom, sweet shoe, man. I never even, as crazy as I'm a sneaker guy, but these boys feel pretty light. So I mean, I don't know. A lot of, like my cousin, he loved ones, friends loved ones. I don't know. I just was, like I said, I thought they were made my feet look big, but hey, look at the person, look, man, I could just throw these boys on and rock them out. Shit sweet. Look, so you tell me if I should wear these in Vegas or should I put these on ice for a little bit, maybe till next summer, and put them on then. Again, if anybody have a connect that they know, that they feel like, hey, Flu hit them up or hit Flu up, give me the info, or however, like I say, I'm going to try to expedite and get this shoe game crazy. So before I go, for one, if you have a brand, it don't matter if it's clothing, some type of shoe brand, or small business, whatever it is, hit me up. You can get on Flu's Kicks and Apparel, talk about that business, no matter what it is. I know it's Flu's Kicks and Apparel, but hey, small business, I want to support those, and I want y'all to support me as well. Like I say, I missed you guys. Start trying to drop more videos. Forget the job, I know it's been busy, so yes, I'm figuring out you gotta do it. Sleepless nights. But again, tell me what y'all think about these Jordan 1 Pollens. And I don't even know what to say. I'm just so excited to get back over here. So let's keep it rocking. I love y'all. Remember to tell a friend to press subscribe, like, share, follow me on my social medias, what have you. This is your boy Flu. I'm back here. Like I said, I got some shoes. I know I'm rambling because I'm just excited, but got some shoes that I had customized, made one of one during the COVID time that, like I said, I've been so busy that I haven't even showed those. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to get that one maybe next, or maybe I gotta get my cousin back over here so he can quit blowing my phone up about getting on Flu's Kicks and Apparel. All right, till then, y'all, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.